Good morning student, myself Kehar from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 4 planning. Here we will discuss different types of features of planning. So next one is planning is pervasive. Planning is required at all level of management. It is not a one level of management, it is implemented in all level of management. So it is a pervasive process. It is not a function restricted to top level management, but also planning is done by managers at every level. Every levels of the managers have been followed by this. It is not compulsory for all for the top level, it is also middle level, and all the managers have been fulfilled for this type of process, and that is compulsory to all the person. Next one is planning is futuristic forward looking. Planning always means looking ahead, or planning is a futuristic function. Planning is always see what are happening in the future level, on the need of the futuristic planning that will be implemented, the need of the customer and their demand, their types of research and development must be taken. So planning is never done for the past. Planning is always futuristic and forward looking process. Next one is planning is continuous. Planning is never ending or never ending process. Planning can never end, planning can never finish. It is a continuous process, because after making plans also one has to be in touch with the changes in changing environment and in the selection of the best way. And planning, those person have been selected that have been know about the environment and the condition that's been taken for the different types of selection process. They can complete that particular process, and they have been reach on the organization, and they have been some idea. That's why they have been at more and more trend, and after the training they perfect and fulfill the goal of the organization. And so planning is a continuous process. Next one is planning is a mental exercise. Planning, it is a mental exercise. Planning is a mental process which require higher thinking level. Planning is totally a brain depending process, and it is high level of thinking, and that is why it is kept separate from operational activity by the Taylor. As Taylor said that it is a separate activity, separate operational activities, those have been kept at the separate level, and this thing is seen by the Taylor. Next one is planning contribute to objective. Without the planning, not objective can be achieved, not goal can be achieved. So planning start with the determination of objectives. We cannot think of planning in absence of objective. Planning always the determination of objective. Planning always thinking of planning, we planning always helpful for the achievement of the objective. After setting up objective, planning decides the methods. Planning, when any person set the objective, so planning decides the methods, procedure and step to be taken for achievement of set objective. And all those things have been completed when the planning is good. So planning plays very important role for the achievement of the objective. Okay, thank you very much.